All right, well, happy Saturday. As we take a look outside, we've got lots of clouds, some fog and mist showing up across the area, but overall, conditions are not too bad. We've got temperatures in the 40s, which is right where we should be for this time of the year, and the winds are calm, so not much of a wind chill to deal with as well. Outside on the satellite radar picture, you'll be able to see we've got a little bit of mist and drizzle showing up in spots on the radar. Most of this is just below the radar beam level, so it may not be showing up on the map, but you may run into a couple of drips of rainfall this morning, but overall, this will quickly come to an end as that fog begins to lift. The main storm track where all the active weather is off to our south and east. You can see that here. I've drawn that under the jet stream text there, and you'll be able to see this is where that big storm system is. We have one that's kind of weakening over the Ohio Valley as the energy is being transferred to this storm system off to the east, and that's called the nor'easter. It's moving up the northeast coastline now, and it doesn't have to have a ton of snow. You just need those northeasterly winds with the heavy precipitation and that storm track. That gives you an actual nor'easter. Now, on the back side of that storm track, we're tracking out of Canada here what we call a Manitoba Mauler. And this system is a clipper system that will dive down very quickly. Ahead of it, it could give us a few showers, and then behind that system, it'll give us some very windy weather as we go into your Sunday. You can see those winds building up just to our north and west. So let me walk you through all of this here on Exact Track. You'll be able to see hour by hour. We'll have some clouds throughout the area this morning. Those clouds will begin to thin out this afternoon just a little bit, so we should be able to see a couple of peaks of sunshine as our highs climb into the upper 50s. Here comes that clipper system. It will quickly dive down across the area later on this evening and tonight, probably sometime around or shortly after midnight, giving us a chance of a couple of scattered light rain showers. Notice nothing widespread or too heavy showing up across the area, and by tomorrow morning at 6 a.m. when you come onto the air, you'll be able to see that system will be pushing all the rain off to the east, and then behind that front, we're going to be talking about those winds really howling out of the north and west, and that will be the big story as we go throughout your Sunday. Not so much any rain chances early in the morning. So let me show you what I mean by these wind gusts. As we go throughout today, we're talking winds anywhere between 5 to 10 miles per hour out of the south and west. Not a big issue at all. Now, as we go into tonight into tomorrow morning, when you wake up, notice that the winds become a little breezy, around 15 to 20 miles per hour. But look at this as we go from late morning into the afternoon hours. Oh my goodness, yes. Remember about a week ago we had that big wind event that moved through the area? We could have the same effect again as we go into your Sunday with winds gusting anywhere between 40 to 50 miles per hour across the area during the afternoon on your Sunday. And we saw what that did last week, so we'll have to be on guard for that again this week, so keep that in mind. And notice once the sun sets, the winds calm down once again. Now, as far as temperatures go, we're going to start the week with temperatures at normal or right around normal, slightly above normal, and then they're going to fall below normal by the end of the work week as another surge of cooler air continues to work its way on in. 59 degrees today with a mixture of sun and clouds, 57 on your Sunday. Again, we could be seeing a couple of morning showers. Those will skedaddle out of here very early in the day. In the afternoon, we're talking windy conditions gusting up to 40 miles per hour. Highs near 60 on your Monday with lots of sunshine. Here comes our next cool front on Tuesday that could give us a chance of scattered showers across the area. Behind that front, Halloween right now looks quiet and cool with highs in the mid-50s. That means for trick-or-treaters, we're talking temperatures falling from the 50s into the 40s. And then as we go towards the end of the week, temperatures falling into the upper 40s for highs. And believe it or not, we could see some light rain or maybe even a wintry mix as we head by Friday.